How to replace white spaces with underscore. I want to replace white space with underscore in a string to create nice URLs. So that, for example, should become I am using Python with Django. Can this be solved using regular expressions?
You don't need regular expressions. Python has a built-in string method that does what you need.
Replacing spaces is fine, but I might suggest going a little further to handle other URL hostile characters like question marks, apostrophes, exclamation points, etc. Also note that the general consensus among SEO experts is that dashes are preferred to underscores in URLs.
This takes into account blank characters other than space, and I think it's faster than using remodule.
Django has a sludgify function which does this, as well as other URL-friendly optimizations. It's hidden away in the default filters module. This isn't exactly the output you asked for, but it's better for use in URLs.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.